We spin our wheels, trying to find a fast way out of difficulty.
As well, then we also have Obilo. Obilo also happens to be Senator Hassan Omar's personal assistant. Okay, sit down.
Hata ukikosa kuniona mahali popote, kura yangu ni yako.
Wetangula hii ngari Fort Kenya hata ina injini tufunje. Hakuna mtu alinisikia. People they want to lead. Raila hakusikia. Kalonzo hakusikia. Kalonzo anakimbia na ile ndoto nilikuwa nikiota iko kwake. Maka nikamuuliza, na hii tabu yote tulipata wewe na wewe kutoka 202.
And I want to promise you that centered, focused team that will take Kenya. My boss, President Uhuru Kenyatta, is a Democrat. I don't think.
Surely, sisi wote ni watoto wa Mungu. Kila siku wakifungua mdomo ni kupiga kelele juu ya kanisa. Now, that is okay. What has shocked me, ameanza pia kupiga watu wakisaidiwa. Watu wakipewa wheelbarrow, wakipewa bodaboda, anapinga. Na hakuna mtu yeye mwenyewe amepea kitu chochote. Na ile inapeanwa si yake. Kwa nini pilipili usiosila inakuashia nini? I want to make it clear for everybody to understand. None of us is opposing the BBI. But we cannot support something we don't know what it is. Can you support something you have not seen? You cannot support and you cannot oppose. We are waiting. All we are saying is, we have a certain expectation. Our expectation is, if it is people-centered, if it is going to look at the issue of the guaranteed minimum return for our coffee, for our tea, for our milk, for our fish, for our cotton, tutapitisha asubuhi. If it is going to be ya kusaidia mtu ya kawaida, tutapitisha. But if it is about creating positions for individuals, if the whole thing that is what it's all about, then definitely tutakuwa na shida naye na tutapinga. Lakini saa hii asisi hatupingi na wasitusukume kupinga. Why are you pushing us to oppose something? Don't tell us to support because you have not told us what it is. Don't tell us to oppose because we don't know. Let the report be taken to the president. Let it be published.
Kitu ambacho naibu wa rais mimi sitaheshimu ni ikiwa nimeona jana mtu alikuwa ameandika ati Putin, the president of Russia, uses his way to move from president to prime minister, prime minister to president, president to prime minister, and he says we should practice the same thing here in our country. I'm saying no. Hiyo ikija tutakataa vile tunakataa kifo inatuchukua bila kupenda. Lakini hatupendi kifo. Kwa hivyo hiyo haitawezekana, lakini hapa kumuunga mkono, tutamuunga mkono mpaka amalize safari yake vizuri na aende nyumbani. Ningeenda kukaa na waacha na ujumbe huu. Hatutaki ukabila. Mkienda semeni dawa ya ukabila Kenya iko pale. Na hiyo ndio tutatumia njia ya kufika pale tunaenda kuunganisha wa Kenya kuwa kitu kimoja.
Your Excellency, you and the President, you owe it to us Kenyans that you must listen to feedback. There is push, Your Excellency, for something called Building Bridges Initiative. Many Kenyans are hopeful that the intention is good. Your Excellency, in your moments of quiet with the President, please give him the feedback from Kenyans, because you sit with us, you eat with us. Tell him that we are going to support BBI at the right time. And the right time is when we have been told what is inside the copy of BBI. Before we know, we cannot support or oppose for the reason that we are not foolish. We want to support or oppose something that we know.
We are finding all manner of cards flying. At one point, we are being told we need another layer of government, another layer of bureaucracy. At another moment, some other people are telling us that it is about extension of terms. The question you ask, my boss, President Uhuru Kenyatta, is a Democrat. I don't think President Uhuru Kenyatta has told anybody that he wants his term extended. So where are these people finding all this? I would dare ask, ulisikia wapi ati Rais Uhuru Kenyatta anataka term yake isongeshwe? Wewe ambaye unatupatia hiyo story, ulisikia wapi? Today we must bring down these ethnic barriers and ethnic bigotry that has held Kenya back for a long time. I am very confident, and I will do whatever it takes, and I will persuade whoever I can find, and I will work with everybody to ensure that the future of our nation, that the next general election will not be canvassed around communities, ethnicities, and threats. It will be canvassed around issues, around programs, around policies, around a vision that brings Kenya together and tackles the most urgent and priority issues of unemployment and poverty. There is a huge push. In fact, some people are branding some of us that we are opposing the BBI. Hata hiyo ulisikia wapi? The last time the BBI, the first report came out, we all said we had no issues. This other report has not come out. So why would anybody want any Kenyan to support a document that they have not seen? Why is there a lot of drama to push for a document that Kenyans have not read? What is in it? Why are we being told about, I don't know, this term will be extended, another layer of government? Why? And why the blackmail? Why the threats? Why the push? Why don't we, as decent, reasonable people, discuss, have a conversation, have a debate, and let us put the people's interest before any other interest? Some of these people are shamelessly telling us that they are making they want to change the constitution so that they can share positions. Shamelessly. I mean, surely we have serious priorities in Kenya, and there is a huge disconnect between such people and the ordinary people in Kenya. The priority for ordinary Kenyans is the loss of jobs as a result of corona, the people who cannot feed themselves, the people whose businesses have been destroyed. That is priority. I don't know where they find these other priorities.
Based on the foregoing and informed by a contextual analysis of all the 2022 presidential candidates, I have, with effect from today, made a deliberate and conscious decision, unreservedly, to stand with Kenyans on the right side of history by pursuing henceforth my political interests and aspirations within the ambit of the hustler political matrix. And therefore, I'm going the full hog with Bill Ruto 2022. Thank you very much.